Good afternoon, UVM. This is Sam the Weatherman here with your weather, and we have some interesting weather on the horizon for your forecast. Currently out there, this high pressure system is actually moving down to the south with this cold front. We'll have more on that in just a little bit. First, let's go to your current conditions. Current temperature outside of 55 degrees, winds northeast at 5, and that humidity is right around 58%. So pretty interesting at the moment. For tomorrow, that's when things start to get interesting. We have that high tomorrow of 48 degrees, low of 40. Again, we're actually below average for the first time in a while. And notice the chance of a raindrop or two tomorrow. Actually an 80% chance of rain, so a pretty good chance it'll come in. Let's take a look. Remember that cold front we saw those coming down? Well, we can see very clearly right where it is, right across here. Notice 35 degrees in Burlington and 62 here in Syracuse. So things are, you can very clearly see this line the cold front is forming. As far as what else the cold front is going to form, it's going to bring us this rain. This rain is actually going to move into our area for tomorrow and deliver a very good chance of precipitation all throughout the day tomorrow, so things should be interesting. Here's a look at that graphically. Notice the green area this is the prediction for tomorrow. Green all throughout Vermont, southern New Hampshire, and in the Adirondacks, and in the Adirondack Mountains as well. As far as wind gusts, things are going to be windy all around the area. Those 15 degrees down here in Rutland wind, 17 here in Binghamton, but we get the worst of it here in Burlington. Winds up to 20 miles an hour for tomorrow. Things are going to be wet, windy, and wild. So here's a look at tomorrow forecast by the hour. When you're waking up tomorrow morning on your Friday, things are going to be a little chilly in the low 40s right around 10 a.m. And then we're going to warm up to only about in the low 50s, high 40s at best tomorrow. That is an optimistic outlook. And also notice it's going to be windy all throughout the whole day. So rainy, windy, colder than we're expecting, could be sloppy for tomorrow. But as far as for this evening, we have temperatures a low tonight of 33 degrees and that wind chill of 33. Things are going to be windy and rainy. And there's actually only a trace of rain for this evening, but as the sun begins to come up tomorrow morning, that's when most of the rain will actually occur during the day tomorrow, during the daylight hours tomorrow on Friday. So let's come back to your national map here. We can see the rain is going to move into the Vermont area for tomorrow. As this cold front comes down, it's going to bring colder temperatures throughout the weekend, and that's going to dominate our weather. We can see that here in your 5-day forecast. Notice 48 tomorrow, 45 on Saturday, and 44 on Sunday. That's much colder than we've been experiencing for the last week or two because we've been well above average. So now finally some seasonal temperatures. Chance of rain on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. As we head on into your work week for next week, we begin to warm up nicely. Notice 56 on Monday and 59 degrees on Tuesday, so things are going to begin to look good as we head on into next week. As far as partying goes for this weekend, think about heading out this evening. That might not be your best idea. A chance of rain in the area. I don't think the rain will come this evening, but just in case it does not get the check mark of approval, Friday night there's a much larger chance of rain, so we recommend that you do not go out on Friday night. But Saturday actually it's the check mark of approval because there's only a very slim chance of rain, not even worth a raindrop, and a couple overcast clouds on Friday. So things look good for Saturday night. All right, thank you for tuning in to your forecast. I am Sam the Weatherman. You can catch our forecast every day online on our blog. Have a good night, UVM.